to Angela's Afro Hair.
Today I'd like to show you how to do a protective style called the 2-strand twist. To start, properly hydrate your hair. Step 1. Separate a section of hair to the size of the twist you want to achieve. For now, we'll work on an example of an inch square. Step 2. Separate the square into 2 equal parts. This part needs practice, so don't worry if you don't get it straight away. So firmly hold the 2 sections in your hands. Twist your left hand and your right hand in the same direction as you cross one strand over the other in the opposite direction, and exchange the strands into the opposite hands. With each twist of the hand, cross the strands in the opposite direction, exchange the strands into the opposite hands, and repeat till you get to the end. Well done! Keep practicing. I think you're ready for the 2-strand flat twist. Step 1. Create a parting. For our example, we're going to use a middle parting to create our flat twist from the top of the head down to the ear. Remember to hydrate. Only then should you unravel or untangle your curls. Have a look at this. Pay close attention to how I'm holding the 2 strands. This time I'm not twisting them. You need a new technique to get your flat twist to stay against your scalp. Step 2. Using only the parted hair and starting at the top of the head, separate 2 strands and hold 1 strand lightly in each hand. Using your index finger, add a section of hair from the parted section to the strand that hand is now holding. Cross the strands into opposite hands and repeat. It sounds complicated, but literally all you're doing is picking up a new piece of hair to add to the 2 strands that you have. Don't worry about the tangles, just take your time and gently pull them out. Again, you will need to practice this, but after a while it becomes second nature. Take it slow. Gather new hair and add to the 2 strands that you have, and swap the strands into the opposite hands. Let's have a look at that crossover from another perspective. Just keep going. That's it. Keep going. Just a little bit more. Keep going. The more you practice, the more you'll find your comfortable position. To finish, twist the strands the same way you did in the first example. Just try not to overthink it. Excellent! Now you've created a holding style as well as a protective style.